Hi guys, I just want to make a quick video about MTSL. This stock ran out of nowhere without any news, and it went from $1 13 14 to $3 23, and then it started to wash out, and it kind of had a round trip, uh, crashed from 320 to 168. Then it started to bounce and then consolidated here. It kind of fooled longs, and they thought, okay, this is the cup and handle, let's go long. And then it started to come back down, and then at the end it started to trap shorts who were shorting from here or in this bounce, and squeezed all the way to 390. The reason I just wanted to make this video and explain why I didn't want to play this in today, and I alerted in the chat to save our members to not get stuck here or shorted and get stuck here, is this stock has 1.5 million float, ran without any news, and whoever is running this show, either it's a chatroom pump, I don't know, or some other big players, they are buying 60% of the float and they just manipulate this stock. The thing is, I don't have any edge over these trades. I don't want to say you could not play it. If you watch the other videos about DFBG, ANW, or MBVX I had yesterday, or ISR, BBOX, and staff, whatever, you understand I always alert the safest trades in the chat room, because it's not the game of just scalping some upside here and some downside here. I want to have a solid plan. I want to have a solid trade idea based on the facts and information that are available to me. So you still could say, okay, it's similar to, for example, ANW. A couple of days ago, the stock ran pre-market, bounced at the open, created this solid base, then tested the morning open price, and then after another consolidation, it ran all the way up. You could use the similar analogy for MTSL and say this ran, but it was not pre-market. It was pure manipulation. It started at 9:45. It ran, came back, tested the previous, I would say, high of the day, consolidated, ran again. But what do you say for here? Some people say, yeah, it wanted to test the base and support again. But the fact is, you have no idea how these manipulators or market makers, whoever is running this circuit, how they react, how they want to shake hands and just get you out of your position or squeeze you in the last 10 minutes of the day. Um, when I saw this crashed here, it went up. I didn't know should I go long or short it in this bounce, because they still could squeeze you, um, squeeze shorts here and then go to this level at this bounce. But because I didn't know, I decided to not play it. I just wanted to give you a heads up in the chat and tell you it's not a safe trade. You can still play and make some money by, for example, keeping your risk here and take a long position here and run it from 217 to 273. It's a good move, but I don't know. The thing is, these big red candles and this manipulation, they can do whatever they want. They can crash it. You see this red candle here. I don't know if I can zoom more than this. See, by 60,000, 80,000 shares, the stock dropped from 250 to 220. 30 cents of downside in 1 minute. And then it holds here, then again goes up. If one of these red candles happens here, you don't have a chance to even get out and break even. The most important thing that I want to tell you in this video is you have to have an idea. You have to form your idea for your trade, plan your trade, think about all the informations you have, and then decide, okay, do I have a high chance to make money in this trade or not? For example, I was thinking MBVX yesterday. SEC started to halt this stock every 10 minutes, 15 minutes, half an hour, and they killed the whole price action. People got frustrated, and you see the stock faded away and went down from 249 to 140. So MTSL didn't even have a news for this run up. This was pure manipulation and got halted a couple of times. How many times it got halted? Got halted twice, but with this fluctuation, SEC can halt it and just ask the company for more information, and you get stuck in the trade. They don't say when they open the stock for trade again. You might stock for a month or weeks, and you just took a trade that basically that was not safe enough. Another thing was, as I said, this is a very low float stock, and the price is around $1 or $2, and somebody with a big account can just buy 50% of the shares and manipulate it wherever, whenever they want. They just start selling, bring it down, then squeeze the shorts to upside. Probably they would squeeze this a little bit higher. If you remember GBR had similar story. See, they just squeeze shorts. There are some manipulation are going on in the stock market these days, and it's very unfortunate that I see some of these good traders and credible traders in Twitter, they start to say, starting basically to push their followers to go long or short in this type of stocks, and basically they have I don't know, it's not ethical, but this is how stock market works. I didn't want to give alerts in the chat room that I cannot back it up and tell my members to, for example, buy the stock here with the hope of it's breaking the high of the day and goes all the way to 5. I didn't know, and honestly I tried to understand this, but it was not a solid and safe trade for me. For that reason, I tried to ask everybody to stay away from this stock. But with that said, we still saw in the last 10 minutes the stock started to squeeze all the way to 398, maybe touched 4. So it was from 185 to $4 squeeze. I rather be safe, or because I don't want to get stuck in a situation that I have no control of. So I just wanted to make this quick video and talk about this specific ticker. Hopefully you understand my thought process and learn something new. As I said in the chat, you may get rewarded if you dip buy here and you sell it at 4, but by doing this you learn the wrong process, and based on my experience in a stock market, it's not gonna last, and a stock market gets all those profits back because you learned the wrong lesson. So that was it. Subscribe to the channel, like and share this video with your friends. I try to make videos every night and explain the trades and answer any questions you have. Thank you so much. See you everybody tomorrow in the chat room. Have a good night.